Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this code based on my stochastic based trading robot. I think I previously did a video on how to turn the stochastic indicator into a forex robot. However, somebody said their robot was acting weird and probably I should share my own code. So yeah, I'm going to share this code. The link is in the description box below. You can go ahead and download this code, and you can log into your FXDREEMA account so that you access these blocks, so that you can come here where it says projects and you go to where it says import project. If you click on there, you go to where you would have downloaded this file. Then you can simply load it up onto your FXDREEMA, and you can simply go over what I did and what I have, and maybe just compare, or maybe you want to use it as it is, or maybe you just want to change a few things, your own tweaks and stuff like that. Feel free to do that. Really, you can just load it onto your FXDREEMA, and you can go in there, and whatever you do not agree with me in there, you can simply just go and change it, and then you can come here or come here first and name the robot something else that you want, and you go done, and then you can download the robot as MQ4 file, the source code, or EX4 file, the executable file. If you don't want people to see your code and stuff like that, you can simply do that without paying FXDREEMA. You can see I am on the free subscription. If you want to do this in MT5, then you need to pay a small sum for the subscription. If you're going to sell the robot, or if you're going to make a lot of money from your robot, then it's going to be worth it. It's a small subscription sum, really. By the way, I'm not in any way affiliated with FXDREEMA, so yeah. That's why I'm just using the free version of it. So once you load in this code, you can simply go through it and see how I made the robot, and maybe you can also go through maybe some things that you are missing. You can change all of these settings to suit whatever settings. So you can see for buy conditions, we are waiting for the lines, the stochastic lines, to cross above that 20 level line, then we'll do a buy. And for a sell condition, we want it to cross the stochastic lines to cross below the 80 line level, then we know we are going to be selling. So this will be coming from the overbought, and this will be coming from the oversold conditions. And we actually also have conditions for closing the trades in there. So you can actually go in there and see what I have, and basically tweak it to whatever suits you. So to whatever suits you or your trading, and hopefully you can make some money with this robot. By sharing this code, I'm not like saying this is a profitable trading robot, but I'm hoping that, like all the videos that I've been doing on this channel, you get to understand the basics of turning your own trading strategy into a forex robot without paying anybody, or without doing any coding, without learning any coding. If you still want to pay somebody, or you still want to learn any coding, then that's up to you. But there is a way of turning your strategy, especially if it's based on indicators. You can basically turn your strategy into a forex robot. That's the goal with these videos on this channel. So yeah, if you want to try this code, this robot as well, the link to download it is in the description box below. The broker that I use, many people always ask me, one of the best brokers that I've been using over 5 years now. The link is in the description box below. One good thing about them is you can open a real life trading account with just $5, which is good for testing these robots in real life market conditions. If you have a robot and it manages to grow that $5, then you know that you are onto something good. Then you can add on to the capital that trading robot is working with. So that's why I use the broker that I have, and I've not had any problems with them regarding deposits and withdrawals. So yeah, go ahead and sign up with them. About everything else, also see the links in the description box below. So yeah, hopefully this helps somebody. Somebody wanted me to share this code from that stochastic robot tutorial. So here it is. Hopefully feel free to actually change this code to whatever you want. You can claim it as yours, you can do whatever you want. Basically, I'm sharing it with you guys for free. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.